In this video, you will see the Fiat 500, the only car that can make you look hot even when you're not. Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Fiat 500, a small car that's known for its retro styling and city driving capability. I'll be talking about the car's performance, fuel economy, interior, and features, so you can decide if it's the right car for you. The Fiat 500 is powered by a 1.2-liter 4-cylinder engine that produces 69 horsepower and 75 pounds-to-foot of torque. It's not the most powerful car on the market, but it's peppy enough for city driving. The 500 gets an EPA estimated 34 miles per gallon in the city and 40 miles per gallon on the highway, so it's also relatively fuel efficient. The Fiat 500's interior is stylish and well appointed. The seats are comfortable, and the materials used throughout the cabin are of good quality. The 500 also has a number of features that are typically found in more expensive cars, such as a touchscreen infotainment system, a rear-view camera, and Bluetooth connectivity. The Fiat 500 is available in a variety of trim levels, each of which offers a different set of features. The base pop trim comes standard with air conditioning, power windows and locks, and a tilt and telescoping steering wheel. The higher-end lounge trim adds features such as a sunroof, heated front seats, and a leather-wrapped steering wheel. The Fiat 500 is a great car for city driving. It's stylish, fuel-efficient, and has a number of features that are typically found in more expensive cars. If you're looking for a small car that's fun to drive and easy to park, the Fiat 500 is a great option. If you're interested in buying a Fiat 500, I recommend doing your research and test driving a few different models before making a decision. There are a lot of great options out there, so you want to make sure you find the one that's right for you. Thanks for watching my review of the Fiat 500. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more car reviews.